Ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwon dwumadi so dia we can see sempa en sa kena no penso jaw medin di Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and me sin kunya na me kono kwanten kodin sema do sa kena no penso bio e wo Ghana agudie e jaw chen so mam se nwuma kuni miensa wo mo na bom sika dweteme na no peden komon eba one expert have always told you that betting there is better than sakawa utwane before din before utwane kuma bi adin kuma sa manum ka kire busuanfo na fofo yere ma fasefo na na mukunu eno mpramfo ina se one expert ama boy senyo mo financial freedom team sraw e na wo de ho agim abusuan de eje padi be jaw iska wo kwa bitwen tebria kona ne na akoton de keto akoje kese no na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose ka yere nya ya no eno ana yedi etwa bet ye ka one expert 17 no na je fast semester do tatwi infections do modern da se gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis fita na so di po na chiwa on satimi ka do bi eboa prapra harawa na omre bo ho e ma utimi di nchine che ko heba shops na mu on sabetimi aka je fast semester what to be anom na boa amapomo don sem so atimi sisi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for pampas be pimo na se do ba ko a etu ya wase no sedimo gel and roll on okwa shaman me market on sabetimi aka bitema so on sabetimi aka bi se utu bi akoto ana se otoda ye ho no obetia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on from pain for twetwen komo se bia on sabetimi aka sa product papa bi na aboa emaniema etiantutu yi ediamao. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins the very first step. Yes, here, MFMF, the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana, former air captain and Dean Baby Jet Asamoah Menoka said, Abakwasem HS Abranti, all-time top scorer at the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana. Ogo school ewa crack house ya kind of malibet professionals afidi abuchedie obobo bibiribi enra ana papa yi etu nanum tu edi tu dwa sese na niam AC akone de sisi ade wo de ne boot asensen ho a wonsi akan ebio na ho komo bia epie mo akiri ni
there and it's been echoing in my mind for the past a year and a half. Sometimes people see me and they're like, have you retired? I was like, nope. I still think I have something to offer, but I've been contemplating on it, and I think I'll use this platform officially to tell everybody it's time.
No.
Hold on.
What?
Hold on.
Wait. What?
Are you?
Wait. What I'm hearing.
He's saying that he's coming for the African Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast. Then I'm coming out of retirement as well.
It's time to tell everybody I've officially retired from football.
Whoa!
And very, very emotional, as he said. It's a very, very difficult moment. It's something that you love, something that you've
It's our dream.
done since your childhood, and then living it at this moment. And I'm very happy. I'm very happy to use this platform. And it's official right now. All the journalists, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, those were your legends, and that was the final panel of the final day of this amazing conference.
nti Baby Jet Asamoah obakono no de no matre man ene nra ode tu dwa sese na nema si kono asetan si kono akombia ene de ode ne buta sensen ho onsi aka biu nti no ne nkoma ode eba amafo beka ne posi aka ma Liberty Professionals 16 matches obo 10 goals edi go motim sampa or a credible goal scorer right from Accra Academy and seboyi ahye goals na nra ode ne dwumadi a odi no enso etimi aba na we dwumadi ba so African Continental free trade omo area conference etime san todwa enra no ana odi san komo etime todwa ehom yefi on fa ni kire national under 23 the Black Meteors of Ghana the Olympic Games no so akache na ohwese na university a manti African Cup of Nations the under 23 level so mo de mo ni chiase Morocco na makobo mo hwadwa Egypt o mabo series of friendly games enra omo de ba ko etime san tentam so a omo ne El Zamalek ana dia kensi ne etime boss so na enra mo che Zamalek for etwom 4-1 Egypt for asase so national under 23 team no omani abre ehwenim se na me adoma omo ebetia komanim African Cup of Nations a omo elkonim na management committee chairman Frederick Echampon eden komo kakreja after some record 4-1 victory over Zamalek. Echampon a national under 23 team no management committee tibrekese and out in council or den komo age no. But the answer called Black Stars of Ghana Mantene Camp, the team manager friend say Aminu Shadu or no and Sandro Ball as the chief executive officer at the Mad Dreams Football Club pay a FIFA scholar or then Kumoha Krabi Jabai na 18 and also at the Baye.
Imagine if the government is investing as much money into football infrastructure like the stadium. If we have a very good stadium where people go and enjoy themselves, people even go to stadium to take pictures because it's nice. I've always been at the forefront of championing the cause of we trying to push government to also invest into sports infrastructure. They should invest in sports infrastructure. The clubs themselves don't have the capacity. And that's what made English football what it is today. The England Premier League, at some point in time, they had more hooligans than here in Ghana. There are so many problems. But the state decided to invest after the Hillsborough disaster. They decided to invest heavily into sports infrastructure. They invested heavily, putting the infrastructure and all that. They are making their money back tenfold through taxation. Every player that earns more than £50,000 in the UK is taxed 40%. That's how come they are so attractive today. The government went in there, put up the infrastructure with their resources, got out of it, let private investors take over, manage it, and they get their money back to it.
Aminu Shadu, Black Stars team manager, the latest, and Odin and Komo Kakran, so it says Jaba and say Umiani. Now we heard himself can be asked to beat and infrastructure, beating about Magudino at me at Tumpon. Yakum El Dreams Football Club for Kachamo Vice President and friend said Prince Hamid, one also in Komo Kakra about say Emra, one ate me at Ton, Baba Abdurrahman, El Dreams Football Club, a be a Punubi Brady Mom, Emma Omitimia, a year endorsement, edifi, case sponsors were, Nomjidi Passa Branteno, or Badwam. Emma Nyama Atutuyi Ama Dreams Football Club.
Baba Rama Munye skapa ho.
Yeah, meant to be in Kasenya, skapa, but it has opened a lot of opportunities for us because Baba Rama has been the player of many doors, including Yetminya endorsement deal with Nike for like 3 years because of the potential.
Because of Baba Rama,
yeah,
my dreams nya
endorsement deal with Nike.
Okay.
Okaya Eba Premier Division where we're using Nike apparels throughout the like 3 seasons until contract signed with Nike. It did not every Baba Rahman's potential because he was about signing endorsement deal, the personal endorsement, and decided to add Dreams FC to it so that we also benefit from sending a team to Dubai.
The Vice President Edema Dreams Football Club, a friend of Prince Hamid Abdul, and our tenant council and Komo Ejano. Osan to asu chechi say FA President Kate Edwin Simon Okraku ogusu bata team ne ho de nanso aso mu na chekakra.
I think I don't know my problem. Wallace, my problem baby because BBI Bobo Biano games and Bibiano like anything that you need to even complain for any good for your club no crap normal sometimes officiating and BBI and Koyema ube kasape because of Kate you cannot even do anything. And I don't even see but rather am I a pressure mom because Bibiana we have to do it accordingly because you're a kid.
Getting to the operation of the league, you know, where people say Dreams Football Club teams are now can be more real league in so the first cat influence being Pima and a mother baby amode.
Well, as I think is this particular question. When we realized Bibi a team done in Jano, I think we quickly call a meeting from the playing body, any technical team in just to find out what exactly is the problem. And maybe a problem no, and then we find solution to them. And most of the time, even when you check our records, we have lost many games there. If Kate has influence about that, and Kasa games we lose bro. Accra Lions Beshe, the Chelsea way. Diana Beshe. Meanwhile, our record with the Diana, you show more the crop 3-4 when you check our previous record. But we've lost a couple of games there. Tamale City before draw. So until we munanka influence be all from Keta, I think it's not a game that we need to lose. And
say Prince Hamid Abdul, a Vice President Edema Dreams Football Club, wɔn ana afe 2023 wɔn apagya frank na gyina kunkun with MTN FA Cup 13 years near mobile premiership nim no abakɔ semba ko a wɔn asan yɛ ɛde aka wɔn no na yɛsan kɔ mu bio ebisa sɛ ohwɛ sɛ na asetan esiti a na sɛ Francis Akwafo former Kumasi Asante football player sabranti so bi academy e Kumasi a ono so ede fefe emofran kuma ono so enimbo ne bo na odene nkomo eja e wonhire femra one Sokoban Fatilu enso edin so
to football me ansa na me bobo no nyina me se Kumasi especially obenya chance obo mo e den kakra nti me imagine se me jabo no ba na se me wi a me so meti academy na omo ni support se skamu na yebeboa mo bom me so me peki bi na omo nyina omaka se Akwafo nti ana me so nya yanjiska nti support no na me guso ameboa no ya dibi ko secondary school Kumasi a nyina na ebibo long corners mo cornerstone second division guso primary school so ye hwe bi kakra se mo bonti mani so ade ni mu se memo obi afa me so no so waji din te se de Akwafo gyan na so obeji a chen me but nye easy nkwa mako nketenkete no mo ye 85 under 15 years for no so ko under 15 so mo ye be 35 and sana 17 ko eso 20 nipa ba ko den nti hia support jerseys na ball na de football bia no mempeska jersey and football nti udi scan be ba kro na fato ade fire e ba bre na yeso ye nyina ejina na yen support nkra na because talent wa me betra talent wa but emwane ne dey eniwo nti yesre omo so metumi aboae ye onipa ba ko lady bi ono so ye fe no hema oboabo jersey kakra ma ayi na ball footballers na omo bi wo hu se o ye wi a otumi support o jersey na ball kakra but wo form nti hia support omo boa mani beje pa
minim say bia o ye okay with the pitch and I say and also be say mo afi we say amanfo so asene na pitch na bibia anya kamana
no so they good because they say test no I be bre anke on be bi wa ma ya yepe prama daba prama school park on be tef ni bi wa because on matiti place wa pa bibo Premier League ni bi ko abroche ko bobo ni Sokoban nyina because am say boom but it din enti nya tef ni bi wa ase so the standard eso na be boa boys no because will be better from park and so nye straight chia e prepare will be better stay ni nanyi nyina ka mo so nyina so nti on be tef na anke be me de pa
nti Francis Akwafo former Kumasi Asante football player ana hu se one yenua Sokoban Fatilu ade na bese modu ekita kasamumu a wode ebisa ne sem efa academy a wode etete mfrankuma e Kumasi omso nimbo bo se be dan ko bia no omso ebetia beboa ema national team no nyama akoyi ede amom edusi ya na mada wase na matcha pia mo ni hwe na mum 1xbet omota chirichi fast semester ebo echidom and afi Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel omina na county farm ho boys kadweteme na no pay yede agokensi mu sempa esaka etimijawo within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe and gina mu of course evidence based presentation etimijawo erade entene ni ma onyo kese yifi bi ni dasoni na onfa nko babia enida so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.